2 slow M3 back, ready to get another car banging. So what I have here is a 2012 335i, and we're gonna be adding some goodies to it. Show you the current state of the bay. See, this car does have an intake, has charge pipes, has upgraded intercooler, currently has a downpipe and full exhaust. So yeah, this car is getting the upgraded turbo and the port injection kit. It does have a tune, however, we're gonna be going to an HD custom tune once all these parts are on. Let's get this thing banging. This is the upgrades we're going with. Precision Raceworks port injection kit with the 750cc injectors, provided line from them, all brand new. 3-inch inlet for single intake. Stage 2 plus high pressure fuel pump, brand new in box. Then the unit that we got, see the brand right there. Stock location, upgraded turbo, stage 2 plus. Billy wheel. This is the turbo we're going with in the supporting mods. The car is currently already full bolt on with an upgraded intake pump, so that's good to go. We're gonna go with an HTE custom tune. We're gonna do a pump tune, pump 93 tune, and also a E50 blend tune. So he'll be able to switch maps on the fly. But yeah, without further ado, let's get it.
Yeah, I feel like you wouldn't understand me. If I told you all my problems, feel like you wouldn't understand them. Thinking about my daddy, I swear that shit hit me random. Praying for my girl, they man, I hope she be that cancer. So I gotta go hard, yeah, I'm on fire.
So everything on the top, turbo related, is pretty much off. Got the top heat shield off, the intake off, and the vacuum lines off. So I am actually gonna do the port injection kit next, just so that's done and over with. Then after that, all the work would be remaining for the bottom. Once the car comes down, that would be it.
Yeah, I swear that you wouldn't understand me. Going through that struggle, I swear that shit left me damaged. Thinking about it now, I don't know how we even managed. Trying to get this out this shit, so I start rapping like a bandage. Perky's got him jigging like a dancer. With Nick, we in that Evo, boy, this shit is not a Lancer. Pull up on you swinging like a motherfucking lanyard. Praying to the Lord, but I ain't never get no answer. Praying to the Lord, but I ain't never get no answer. For real.
Stop on the fuel part because we're gonna get a brand new OEM high pressure fuel pump. So once this thing goes back together, it doesn't have to come back apart. The new one that we previously had, it was for a newer style N5X in the F series. So this mounting regulator went on the top instead of the back. So we're just gonna get a brand new pump. With the port injection kit, we should have plenty of fuel, up to 750 horsepower. So it's gonna be plenty. If we do need a little bit more in the future, just change out the injectors to the 950cc's. It'll be good for 1,000, especially on E85. So I'm gonna stop on that. Gonna go ahead and move to the turbo side. First thing, gonna get the car up in the air, start taking off the lower subframe.
Tryna pull up in the chaser. Sorry, I got asthma, baby, I ain't finna chase you. Loyal to my bitch, so you can't get a conversation. Time keep passing by, feel like we living in the maze.
Disconnected, downpipe off, support bracket for the turbos off. Only thing left is for the actual manifold studs itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. This turbo should come right out. Waiting on the new gasket to come in. Once that comes in, we'll throw the oil pan on, start throwing the turbo on, switch all the lines off, get this all cleaned up, start putting this thing back together. And also on this factory turbo, it does have some play in the shaft. Let me see. Look at that. Couldn't have done this job without making sure everything was clean before putting it back together. It's like a one big thing I do. But yeah, everything cleaned up, nice, ready to go. I'm gonna get the oil pan on tonight, wait for the gasket for the turbo. See what be banging. And boom, just like that, brand new OEM high pressure fuel pump and installed. bore injection kit is on. Injectors are in, plugged in. Injector control harness is on, routed, plugged in. Yeah, so only thing left on this side is throw the intake manifold back on, get everything cleaned up, mounted correctly. Finally got all the needed gaskets and new O-rings for the turbo. Now we get all the lines switched over and get this thing switched in. Got the old lines off. One coolant line, as usually they do. One got stuck in there, but I did get the other one out, so I got that one on order. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up, switch them over, put the new gaskets on the turbo, and hang this thing up.
Be focused, that's why she the one I lay with. Super shorter than a midget, I am not the one to play with. Want money for fame, do you see how far I came? Back then, no name, now I'm swerving, switching lanes. Cold blood in my veins, behind this smile is plenty pain. My loss was they gain, ain't it crazy how shit changed? They said you gone, I could've died.
So, this thing's almost ready to start up. About 90% done. Got a few things to touch up top. But everything on the bottom, suspension, subframe, mounts, everything's done, ready to go. Cleaned up. So, I'm gonna go ahead top and button up this last little things. Boom, she's all back together. Just put some oil in it, put some coolant in it. Just let the coolant system fire this bad thing up for the first time.
Me so bad I couldn't cry. Feel like this shit a fucking lie. I know you watching through the sky. Still can't believe you fucking gone. Always my bro, do right or wrong. Roll up a blunt, can't do the bones. R.I.P. man, you living on.
First file sent, now uploaded. Let's see what this first file does. Shouldn't be nothing too crazy, just a little test map to see where the car's standing currently. Let's see.
That's sick. That's sick. No blow up out of the wind. That's like 5%.
This thing's gonna go well. It sounds so good. And just like that, she's back in her habitat. Cut it slightly early, something's rubbing up front, but he's gonna bring the car back to me. I'm gonna diagnose that, replace that, get that fixed, so this thing's absolutely dialed for him. And you'll be seeing this on the streets, on the channel soon, raging. So I'll keep y'all tuned in. We'll drive this a lot more when he brings it back to me, but till then, later. This thing is banging. So that's the video. I appreciate everybody that tuned in. Real quick, before the video ends, shout out to if you made it this far. You get a little sneak peek on the next little updating project coming up. Got another K-Series build on the way. You'll see that very, very soon. Hatch video coming very, very soon. Evo content coming very, very, very soon. Stay tuned, guys. Shout out if you made it to the end of the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, want more content. See what I'm up to. And yeah, also, sorry about the wind noise in the video during the pool. Like I said, I will be getting the car back, so we'll get a lot more better content on it without horrible ass wind noise. So yeah, really appreciate you guys tuning in. Stay tuned, stay banging.